I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I ain't the best at taking care of my boat and washing it and loving it and drying it with a diaper and keeping it under an expensive ass cover all the time. That ain't me. Everybody knows that. I'm gonna make some of y'all cringe with this video here, but it had been a good year or more since I'd actually cleaned my boat. I like to keep on the war paint, if you will. So SuperClean reached out to me. Everybody knows SuperClean. We've used it since we were little boys trying to clean stuff up. It's a badass degreaser. They reached out and they said, "Hey, Hog, do you need anything? Would you like some product to clean up anything you need, your boat, whatever?" I said, "Hell yeah." So, thank you to SuperClean. They did provide product for this video, but I'm going to show y'all what SuperClean can do for your nasty ass boat. Some basic rules with SuperClean, okay? It's dangerous with aluminum. Well, Hog, you got an aluminum boat. Yeah, I know. Don't let it dry on there. Make sure you follow the dilution chart, all that good stuff. We primarily used it to clean our carpet. And if you store a boat outside, you know what happens to your carpet, especially if you store it under a tree like me. So there's sap, there's all kind of stuff. Take a look at it right here. But I'm just going to hush. It's a fast express lane video. You'll see what it does. Make the decision for yourself. And then at the very end of the video, it's going to be a before and after. And it's actually amazing at what it did for the boat. So big shout out to SuperClean. And this video is a testament to the cleaning power of that product. Now, the carpet you're going to see is three treatments. This product ain't a substitute for elbow grease. Like if you've neglected your stuff like I did, you're going to have to work to get it back. But this product, as you see now, boat looks like it's brand new. So I'm going to hush. Let's get at it. Thanks for being here. Hit like and subscribe for more content. Here we go. Yeah, to me, that's better than shaving cream. I don't know what y'all think, but that caked on hard stuff in the floor was sap. So what we used to treat that was the foaming cleaner SuperClean. We wet it down. We let it soak for just 2 or 3 minutes while we worked it in with a hard bristle brush. And then we rinsed it out with a high pressure, not a pressure washer, just a high pressure garden hose nozzle. We did that 3 times. We got the result that we needed. As you see, this can is, we depleted it. This was my preferred method here. So that's what you're looking for. That's what you need to grab. They also provided the spray here as well. So this is what we used on the seats. We did dilute this some. Make sure you follow the dilution chart. But big shout out to SuperClean. I'm gonna have a link to these products in the description. Y'all can check those out. Again, they just sent me this tryout, so no commission or anything. Y'all just go check it out. It'll help you out. But try not to store your boat under a tree, but that's just where mine's at, so it doesn't get baked in the sun. I'm sure I'll have to keep doing this. They also sent me where is it? Right here, some wheel cleaner. But to be honest, we live on a dirt road, and toting the boat to the lake all the time down the dirt road, it's just the wheels stay dirty. But maybe we'll do another video. I'll use this, show y'all what this does. But they did include this, so make sure we shout this out here. But anyway, appreciate y'all. Hit a like and subscribe. See y'all next time.